Hi, Shinko Neko here. The video that you are about to see, I accidentally deleted the intro. So here's a new intro. What I have is a snack crate, and it was from Australia, and it's really cool, so I hope you like the video.
Action.
Alright, so now we are trying the Golden Rough, part 2, if I decide to make this 2 different videos.
I wouldn't. I can help you.
Alright, thank you. Alright, so first oh my goodness, that is really cool.
Mm-hmm.
It has like a nice, it looks like a wrapper. Look. The wrapper, if y'all can't see, it has like stuff on it, like all this brown. That's what that looks like. It's really cool. All right, so I don't know how to split this into 3 parts. Oh, there's 2. All right.
3, 2.
Huh.
Okay, first impression.
That's interesting.
It looks like the world's finest chocolates. Except the WF crisp.
So, if y'all paid attention to what we said with the cherry ripe, then y'all will know that's actually what I was expecting from this. I was not expecting this.
Right.
So, alright, so I know the scenery has changed. Sorry about that. It's taken a little while for me to be able to get everything together and in order, because the last couple of I know it might not matter to you, but the last couple of videos was messing up. So next we have Chomp, which I'm excited to try. It says caramel on it, so I'm guessing it's like a candy bar, maybe. Alright, so let's open it up. And let's go ahead and try it. If I can learn how to open. Oh, it is. It is like a chocolate bar. Alright. Oh, it's got like a little wafer inside of it. Alright, so it looks like there's chocolate, caramel, and wafer. Even though the caramel is white, which is really cool. Alright. That's interesting. It kind of tastes like a big version of crisp. Sort of. That's really good. I like that. Alright. Next. I really want to try this because, like I said before, it's basically like the description is basically like York. So let's try this out. It has nice design on it. It's circle, just like the round gold thing was. Yeah, that looks like York. It looks like a York. So, see if it tastes like. Yeah, tastes like a York. That's really good too. Alright. So let's try one of these. Forgot what it's called. I gotta look at the name of it again. It's chocolate. Didn't think it would be. I can't sit down in here. Sorry for my smacking. It's so hard to eat. I think it's like caramel or something in the inside. Alright. I don't like those. Alright. Next. Comment. They're like milk duds. American people know what milk duds are. So, that's what those are. But individually packaged milk duds. Really hard for some reason. You gotta stick them in the microwave for a bit. Alright. Got that under control. That was a while. I just sprayed it everywhere. So this is fizz, which I'm guessing is like some kind of like those kind of like some of those cans. If y'all know those little sodas, there's some in here. Alright, so I'm excited to taste this. So let's see how this goes. It's like, it looks like baking soda. It totally looks like baking soda, okay. There's no fizziness. There's like literally no fizziness. I'm kind of disappointed now. But, well. I mean, it's like barely there. Yeah. Alright, so last thing from the entire snack crate box from Australia is Zappo or something. It says 7 sour flavored chews, which I'm guessing is gum. So this kind of reminds me of Double Bubble or something like that, like the old ones. If I can get it out of the package. Alright, so it has watermelons on it. So yeah, it is. That is so cool. It's Double Bubble. Only it should be sour, so that's really hard too. It's not as sour as I thought it would be, but it's for watermelon, so it's partially sour. So that was all the snacks from the Australia snack crate. So thank y'all so much for watching. Leave a comment and a like down below if you liked it. Subscribe, and I will see y'all later. Peace out, kitties.